Birmingham, can you do this with us right here? Come on, let's go! To the people in the back, let's go! Subhanallah, walhamdulillah, wa la ilaha illallah, wallahu akbar, Allahu akbar, Allahu akbar, Allahu akbar, subhanallah, walhamdulillah, wa la ilaha illallah, wallahu akbar, Allahu akbar, Allahu akbar, subhanallah, walhamdulillah, wa la ilaha illallah, Allahu akbar, Allahu Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to wish you, give you the best ingredients. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. A brief introduction. Directly to my right, give it up for Brother Joshua. Syriya. Come on. And to his wife, Brother Allahu Akbar. In my name, his brother Nabi Muhammad. But together, we are Native D. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for having us. We're so blessed to be here on such an occasion, helping Human Appeal and Syria Relief to support 3 hospitals in the region where they're so desperately needed. I know you guys did a lot of fundraising so far, but we need to continue tonight until we reach our goal, inshallah. We're so blessed to be here. We know Birmingham is traditionally known to be one of the most generous cities in the whole of the UK, so we hope that you live up to your reputation, inshallah, tonight and give and donate. Now, Brother Joshua has a song he wants to do for you guys.
I'm looking.
And what's the song about, Brother Joshua?
This song is about my 2 sons. I have a son named Musa, he's 12 years old. And I have a son, his brother's name is Harun. Thank you. Nobody normally gets that. They always say Isa. I don't know why. Yeah, Musa and Harun. It's a rhyme. So beautiful boys. That's it. Rhymes. And I wrote a song about him, but I need your help tonight to do it. I need your help. And I know there's also a young child out there named Dad, and it's their birthday, so we want to give them a shout out. What's the most powerful word in the whole universe? One word. Allah. Allah. I need you guys to say that with us tonight. Huh? I need you to say that. So when I say, who's the greatest one? Everybody says Allah. Alright? We're going to try this out. I think you guys can help us. You ready?
Yeah.
What? Are you ready?